Hello guys, best smartphone. Result the best smartphone discovered the principle of mobile technology with our rank of best selling smartphone. Hello guys, to meet the drivers needs of today's tech survey user, these drivers offer an unparalleled blend of innovation and functionality. Whether you are on the go, working remotely, or simply seeking the latest in mobile technology, our best selling smartphone have got you covered. Stuck with the 6 high resolutions display that ensure every photo, video, and app looks very nice. These smartphones are powered by the latest process, providing lighting fast performance and smooth experience, video streaming, lighting fast apps, loading times, thanks to their advanced hardware and software optimizations. Camera technology have never been seen better. This best-selling smartphone features cutting edge cameras that capture every moment with breathtaking details whilst you are cutting the creating of scenes, landscapes, or the enjoy of family moment. The high quality camera on this smartphone you are displays plus they come with a range of advanced features like a power by night mode, best selling smartphone, yeah, AliExpress, there, Honor's 80x smartphone, Global Firewall is the best selling smartphone, 56.616 dollars. You can buy this smartphone since 4.7 rating, 5-star rating. Yeah, excellent, perfect, arrived safely, and it's good condition, so excellent for this price. Yeah, people are these reviews is smartphone is very nice qualities and heavy excellent smartphone. You can buy this smartphone. Thank you guys.